Good afternoon, Con here with Techout, and today we're going to be taking a look at this charging station from Oraimo, and I have a couple of these that I'm going to be checking out. This one is the one with the AC outlet on it as well. I'm just going to pop this open here. Let's see. Very nice packaging. Have a 2-year warranty, extended warranty card, a little information in there. And this is a gallium nitride charger, 120 watts, on the built-in USB ports. Let's see. And if you want to pause and read this, here are all the charging specifications with the different inputs and connected devices and all of that right there. So you get the actual charger itself. It does have a AC outlet on each side. And then they do include a very nice long, looks like it's probably a 10-foot braided USB-C to USB-C fast charge compatible cable right there. So this is going to be very, very handy. Have 3 USB-C ports as well as a USB-A port, and again it is a gallium nitride charger, fast charge, up to 120 watts across the ports, and then you have an AC outlet on each side, so if you want to plug in like your laptop charger or additional phone chargers or something like that, or maybe something that's not USB-C or A, you can plug that in right there and not have to get another cord, take up another outlet, all that kind of stuff. So that is the Oraimo HyperGaN S120, 1250 watts AC capable on the AC outlets and 120 watts DC fast charge on the included USB-C ports. So right there, I will leave a link to this on in the description where you can pick it up on Amazon. I am Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and as always, have a great day.